Style my hair with me using the Fresh Hair Love products. Super cute, super pink. First, we have the 6-in-1 Haya plus Keratin Volumizing Hair Mousse. And then next is the 6-in-1 Haya Keratin Extra Hold Hairspray with TheraShine Complex. They also have the 6-in-1 Haya Keratin Cuticle Coat, 15-in-1 Haya Keratin Floral Blossom. And as you can see, meron talaga ako niya. And it's a hair styling mitt. So first, gamitin natin itong cuticle coat. Apply it in a damp hair. And para siyang oil. And it also serves as a treatment. For me na laging dry hair kasi kinukulayan siya. This will make my hair silky, smooth, and shiny. And alam nyo ba guys, mabango rin siya. Diba? Approve na approve. O diba, look at that shine. Next is the hair mousse. Sobrang tuwan-tuwa ako. Ang cute talaga ng color niya. Tapos ang laki niya. Instruction is kailangan i-shake niyo muna siya. And then nagulat ako. And then ayan na siya. Wow! Ang cute. Ang foamy nung kanyang consistency. And ang bango niya guys. So this one naman makes your hair volumized. 24-hour volume and curl definition with added shine and bounce. And alam nyo ba, hindi rin siya malagkit guys. As in yung pagkamus niya, parang na-absorb siya talaga ng ating mga buhok. Feeling ko maging favorite ko to kasi nakaka-volumize talaga siya ng hair. And ang bango niya din talaga. We have the 15-in-1 Haya Keratin Flora Blossom. At nabudol ako ni Miss Marian dito. Hairstyling miss pala to guys. At alam nyo ba, ginagamit ko to kapag magkukulot ako o kaya mag-straight ng buhok. Kasi meron siyang UV protection. Siyempre may heat tayo i-introduce sa hair natin. So para hindi siya masyadong madry, diba? Or masira, lalagyan natin siya ng protection niya. Parang sunblock, ganun. And then, ginagamit ko rin pala to guys pagkatapos namin mag-sangyup. Kasi parang pabango din siya ng hair. And then yan, magkulot tayo. Let's go. Chinin! O diba, gulat kayo, may change outfit ang person. So, I super like it. Natuwa naman ako dito sa products ng Fresh. Meron tayong pang treat, meron tayong pang mist, at pang style ng hair.